Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am a student studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bengaluru from the Department of Basic Science. Today I will be presenting the topic Global Scenario of E-Waste from the subject Waste Management. So today's topic is Global Scenario of E-Waste. So let's begin with the introduction to E-Waste. E-Waste basically refers to electronic waste that is discarded or no longer usable. The global generation of e-waste is increasing rapidly, and improper disposal of e-waste poses significant environmental and health risks. Scale of the problem: approximately 53.6 million metric tons of e-waste were generated globally in 2019. This number is expected to reach 74.7 million metric tons by 2030. E-waste is growing at a rate 3 times faster than other types of waste. There's a picture which clearly depicts the scale of the problem. Next we have e-waste composition. So e-waste consists of a wide range of electronic devices including smartphones, computers, televisions and refrigerators. It also includes components such as batteries, cables and circuit boards. Some e-waste contains hazardous substances like lead, mercury and cadmium. There's a pie chart which depicts the composition of hazardous substances in e-waste. Steel 29%, lead 8%, glass 22%, plastic 19%, aluminum 10%, zinc 3% and copper 7%, and other hazardous chemical substances consist of 3%. Environmental impact: improper disposal of e-waste leads to soil, water and air pollution. Toxic substances can leach into environment causing harm to plants, animals and humans. So e-waste it also contributes to climatic change due to the energy intensive production and disposal process. E-waste is an energy intensive production, and because of the hazardous disposal process, it also contributes to climatic change. Next we have health risks. Exposure to hazardous substances in e-waste can lead to respiratory problems, skin disorders and neurological disorders. Informal recycling practices, often prevalent in developing countries, expose workers to dangerous working conditions and health risks. Children in particular, they are more vulnerable to the health effects of e-waste due to the developing immune system. Next we have current global practices. Developed countries typically export e-waste to developing countries for recycling or disposal. Informal recycling methods such as burning or dismantling without proper protection are common in these countries. Many countries lack proper legislation and infrastructure to manage e-waste effectively. Next we have international agreements. The Basel Convention is an international treaty that aims to reduce the movement of hazardous waste between countries. So the Minamata Convention addresses the use and release of mercury, a toxic substance found in some e-waste. These agreements highlight the need for global cooperation and responsible e-waste management. E-waste management strategies. So extended producer responsibility. EPR programs hold manufacturers responsible for the entire life cycle of their products, including proper disposal. Recycling and refurbishing e-waste can recover valuable materials and reduce the need for raw material extraction. Public awareness and education campaigns are crucial to promote responsible e-waste disposal and recycling. So how do we manage e-waste? E-waste, since it is hazardous to environments, we have something called extended producer responsibility, which is responsible for management of e-waste. It helps manufacturers being responsible for the entire life cycle of the products, including proper disposal. And recycling and refurbishing of e-waste can recover valuable materials and reduce the need for raw material extraction again. So public awareness and education campaigns are crucial to promote responsible e-waste disposal and recycling. Next, we have success stories. Some countries like Japan and Switzerland have implemented effective e-waste management systems. Private companies and organizations are partnering to develop innovative e-waste recycling technologies. The growth of the circular environment economy concept encourages resource efficiency and promotes sustainable e-waste management. Next, we have conclusion. The global scenario of e-waste presents significant challenges and opportunities. Effective e-waste management requires international cooperation, legislation, and responsible practices. With proper strategies and awareness, we can mitigate the environmental and health impacts of e-waste while unlocking the potential for a more sustainable future. Thank you. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.